Did you know that you can create an entire blog post in a matter of 30 seconds? Hi everyone, I'm Shubhamjeetkumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com where I post content about affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will show how you can generate a full blog post using artificial intelligence. My aim is to publish videos in an easy to understand language so anyone who watches them understands the content that I share easily and clearly. So, recently I came across a tool that helps you write blog posts in a matter of 30 seconds. Really? Yes, really. The tool is called Copy.AI. Copy.AI is an AI powered content writing tool that helps you write better content. Using Copy.AI, you can enter a few keywords and the tool will generate a crisp copy or content for you. It is an excellent tool that will help you create content in as little as 30 seconds and makes it look as genuine and as unique as possible. Copy.AI was founded by Chris Lu and Paul in 2020, and it is a business that empowers and automates manual tasks. According to LinkedIn, the company currently has a strength of 19 employees, and according to Crunchbase, they have raised more than $2.9 million from the investors like Sequoia Capital. Now, if you are wondering why you need to use tools like Copy.AI, I will share a few reasons for doing so. Firstly, they are affordable. According to WebFX, the average cost of copywriting services is anywhere from $25 to $25,000 per page. That's where tools like Copy.AI enter the picture. Copy.AI and its competitors cost about $50 per month, which is way cheaper than copywriting services, isn't it? The second reason to use AI in general for writing copy is that it helps you write a better copy. Students in my community always ask me, Shubhamjeet, how can I write? I'm not good at writing. Well, the solution is here. Copy.AI will help even the experienced copywriters. Copywriting tools create the best of the best copy as inputs to their models, so they always know what will resonate with their customers. Now, let's move to the third reason for using AI for writing copy. The third reason for using AI to write copy is that you can write faster. Using Copy.AI, you can create content in as little as 30 seconds. Select the type of content you want to write, enter the keywords, and Copy.AI will create content for you in 30 seconds. So, if you are a blogger, an affiliate marketer, a copywriter, a social media manager, a YouTuber, or even a student, you can use Copy.AI. Now, I will open my browser and walk you through this revolutionary artificial intelligence powered writing tool. I've also placed the link to the tool in the description box below. Please note that I'm an affiliate of Copy.AI, and if you purchase from my link, I will be paid a commission at no extra cost to you. So let's now see how we can use this tool and create brilliant content using Copy.AI. Okay, now I will hide my screen so you can see the entire screen and see every feature that Copy.AI provides. Okay, to log into Copy.AI, I will paste their link. And since I'm already using Copy.AI to write content, I'll log in with my Gmail account. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how you can use a free Copy.AI account. Okay, so let me walk you through the pricing plans offered by Copy.AI. I'll go to Copy.AI again and let's check the pricing. Okay, Copy.AI provides 3 pricing plans. The first is the free plan. To utilize the power of the free plan, you will get 10 credits per month. And by 10 credits, I mean you can search 10 times in 1 month. Okay, and if you sign up, if you are a new user, you will get 100 bonus credits for the first month. That is to say, if you are a new user and sign up for the first time, Copy.AI will give you 100 searches for the first month. Okay. And moreover, if you are not comfortable with English, you can create content in as many as 25 languages. In fact, more than 25 languages. And Copy.AI will provide you with more than 90 copywriting tools. 90 copywriting tools covers sales copy, Facebook ads copy, Google ads copy, your blog intro, YouTube intro, and so on. So the second plan provided by Copy.AI is the Pro plan. The Pro plan costs $35 per month if you pay annually, or $49 per month if you choose for the monthly plan. Okay. In the paid plan, in the Pro plan, you will get unlimited credits, so you can search as many times as you want. Secondly, you can create as many projects as you want. All right. Like the free plan, the Pro plan will provide you with more than 25 languages. So if you're Brazilian, Portuguese, Chinese, you can create content using Copy.AI in your language. Isn't it fascinating? Then the fourth feature provided by Copy.AI's Pro plan is you can utilize 90 plus copywriting tools. Additionally, you will get priority support, you will get access to Copy.AI's new features, and you can enter the free community. All right. And the third plan, the third pricing plan provided by Copy.AI is the custom plan. In the custom plan, you will get all the features of the Pro plan, and you will also get collaboration features. For that, you'll need to contact the sales team, negotiate, and they will give you a pricing plan. Okay. So that's about the pricing of Copy.AI. Now let's log in and see the tool in effect. Okay. In fact, before going there, Copy.AI is used by eBay, Nestle, Ogilvy, Zoho, and the like. You can see that Copy.AI is used by the best of the best, isn't it? And if you're a new user, you can utilize the free plan. Okay. So I've already logged in, so I'll switch tabs, and this is the Copy.AI's interface. All right. I've already created a few projects, but for demonstration, I will start from scratch. All right. So I'll click create new project, and let's say I want to create a blog post. Okay. So my title will be blog post, and I want to write about women's jackets. Okay. So I'll click create project. What is your product called? I will write women's jackets, and here describe your product. You can describe your products in a couple of words or a couple of sentences. Okay. And Copy.AI will run its algorithms and provide you the genuine and the most plagiarism free content. Okay. So for instance, I'll go to Amazon. In fact, I'll search women's jackets under $100, and now I'll open the Amazon link, and let's see what we find. Okay, I think I'll go with this one, Levi's women's fox leather motocross racer jacket. In fact, I'll copy only this keyword, these keywords, leather motocross racer jacket, and I'll paste here. Try to provide more details. Okay, let's try the entire name. I'll copy, and now I'll paste it here. Let's see if this works fine. Yeah, works fine. We have got the green signal. Now I'll choose the tone. You can either choose a friendly tone, a luxury tone, a relaxed tone, professional tone. You can go for a bold promise, adventurous tone, a witty tone, and persuasive. I usually go for a friendly tone, but you can choose any tone based on your content and your target market. Okay, I'll go with the friendly tone, and I'll now click create copy. So okay, I'll need to change. I've selected product description. I'll type blog here, and it will be blog intro. I'll change to blog intro, and then I'll create copy again. Our AI can take up to 30 seconds. So as I said, through Copy.AI, you can create content within 30 seconds. I said 30 seconds, but Copy.AI creates contents in less than 30 seconds more often than not. So since I selected blog intro, so these are the intros that I got. You can select any one that you want. I'll go with this one. This looks interesting. So I'll click copy and I'll paste here. Okay. So if you want, you can tweak it a bit. All right. Let me see. Yes, there is internet connection, so I don't know why I'm getting this message. Anyway, so this was the blog intro. Now bullet point to blog section. Okay. Women's jackets, the main point of a paragraph. Now bullet point to blog section is nothing but different sections of your blog. Okay, so if you write 10 points about this fox leather motocross racer jacket, you can write. Okay, so I'll go back to Amazon and look at the features if I could find it. Okay, let me find the product specifications here. Size chart, styling ideas from the manufacturer. Okay, it is water resistant, so I will type here water resistance. Sorry for that. Yeah, water resistance jackets. Water resistance women's jackets. Short input, try to provide more details for a better copy. Let's find something else. Okay, I'll copy this again. Levi's women's fox leather motocross racer jacket, and I'll paste it here. And I'll write R water resistant, and my tone will be friendly. And now I'll click create copy. And in fact, I'd want you to notice something. Since I'm a free user and I've crossed the 1 month as a user of Copy.AI, I've got only 10 credits. So that means I can perform more. I got 10 searches, 10 credits. I've used 2 and now I got 8 left. So that means 1 credit accounts for 1 search. So if I click create copy, my 1 credit will be deducted. Okay, so I've clicked create copy, and let's see what we get for the water resistant keyword or the feature. So yes, we have got a big chunk of text. I will copy this and I'll create a section here, heading to water resistant, and I'll paste the text that we copied in the last step. So I'll also add this inside the heading. Levi's women's fox leather motocross racer jackets are water resistant. So I've also entered the keyword and the feature. Okay, so following the same steps, you can create an entire blog post. Okay, so this is the power of Copy.AI. I've entered only a couple of keywords, click create copy, and let me see how long. I've created a 280 word article in a matter of minutes, I suppose. So that's the power of AI, AI powered writing tools. Okay, so I hope you understood the steps. I've got only 7 credits remaining, so I'll not proceed, but I hope you got the idea. And if you extensively create content, I suggest you click this upgrade to Pro and pay, because when you pay you will get unlimited credits, which means you can search as many number of times as you want and create a crisp, unique, genuine and plagiarism free content. Okay, for those of you who do not know what plagiarism is, okay, let's look at the definition. In fact, plagiarism, in fact, not plagiarism checker, plagiarism meaning. Okay, so the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as one's own. So in short, plagiarism means you copy content from some other website or from some other creator, paste it on your blog and present it as your own unique information. Okay, so when Google finds that your content is plagiarized, it will de-rank you or demote you from the Google search engine results page rankings. Okay, so using Copy.AI you will create content that is unique and clear and genuine. Okay, so I'll close this tab. And yes, as I said, if you create content extensively, I suggest you pay for Copy.AI. I logged into my free account, but I pay for it every month. And as I said, I've placed the link in the description box. Although it is my affiliate link, you and I will pay the same amount. Okay, you pay 35, I pay 35, you pay 49, I pay 49. Okay, so I think that's about it. I know I could have shown the entire blog, but I have only 7 credits remaining and I have to. In fact, I have to save it for more 30 days. So I have my hands tied. I hope you got the idea. I hope you understood the steps of how you can create a blog post. I've entered only a couple of blog posts and I've got a 280 word article. So I hope you are with me, and I hope you'll use Copy.AI if you face the writer's block. Okay, so that's about the demonstration, and let's go back to the presentation. The advantage of using Copy.AI to write blog posts or any other piece of content is that you can create compelling blog titles, introductions, and content that are plagiarism free. As seen during the demo, you will get more than 90 templates that will help you create content for anything from blog posts to ad copy to sales page copy and so on. Additionally, if you're not comfortable with English, Copy.AI will provide you the power of creating content in as many, in fact, more than 25 languages. Copy.AI is spreading like fire, and in 2021, more than 1 lakh people have signed up for the tool. So the process is simple. Log into Copy.AI, select the type of content you want to create, enter a few keywords, and the content will appear on the screen. Copy.AI will create content for you. And after the content appears on the screen, select the text that you want, copy it and paste it either in the Copy.AI editor or the editor of your choice, like MS Word document, WordPad, Notepad, WordPress editor, Google Docs, and so on. So put an end to your content creation struggle and let Copy.AI create content that attracts visitors for you. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.